Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to another video on Microsoft Excel. Today I will try to explain a limitation and its resolution of pivot table. So we will do an example and we'll see how to overcome the limitation of power pivot. Normally people are facing this issue. Okay, we have the data and let us create pivot table on this. Okay, and let's say we have city in the row and let me put it, let's say quantity and price, right? Okay. Now for example, if we will apply any formula or function on this, how it will behave. Okay, let me put it here. What I will do here, I will multiply quantity with price. Just an example, right? Let me put it total, right? I will say equal to quantity multiplied by price. Okay. Now if I drag it down, this is the problem. So in power pivot, if we drag our formula, it is not working, right? Okay, let me put it another example. I will just multiply by 2 equal to, let me put it quantity multiplied by 2. Okay, now ideally our formula should work, but it's not working. Okay, to overcome this limitation, you have to understand, if we see the formula, it says get pivot data. It is just like VLOOKUP sort of function which will fetch the data. So if we see what it's having the parameters, sum of quantity is the name of this. See here, we have to get the sum of quantity, right? Okay, A3 city. Now what is happening by default, get pivot table is hard coding the city name here. See here. So when we are copying the formula below or down, it is getting copied with the same name, right? So what we have to do here, we will remove this hard coded value and we will click this cell. So now it is A4. Same we have to do here. Here again it is searching only for the city name. Remove, again we'll click here, right? So here now it is variable now. City is our column name. So search in the city, what? The value of A4. Click enter. Now when you will copy this, it is going fine. If you click here and press F2, you can see the cell address changed to A6, right? Same we will do here. Again it is same issue. So I will remove this and replace it with the cell reference. So cell reference is A4, right? See, it got selected and click enter. Now double click and it got applied. So normally people facing this issue, so what they do, first they copy this data as a simple table and then they apply formula. So you don't need to do that, just you have to change the hard coded value with the cell reference. Hope it will help you to use further the pivot table. I will get back on different videos on pivot table, power pivot and other options. Stay tuned. Thank you.